Hello! In this video, we will learn how to read data from a database or Excel spreadsheet into your template objects. Let's assume that you have already started a template, but that it is still only set up to display static data, or what we refer to in Bartender as embedded data. Although there certainly are some important uses for static templates, basically, templates whose content never changes, it is more common to source the data for some of your template's objects from fields in an external database. The first step is to connect to a database. One way to do this is by clicking on File and then Database Connection Setup. If your template is not yet configured to read from a database, the Add Database Connection wizard will appear. Click Next on the first page of this wizard to continue. As you can see, Bartender lists a number of the most popular database platforms. Bartender can connect to any ODBC driver or OLEDB provider. Bartender can also natively read text files as well as SAP's Intermediate Document File, or IDOC. For this example, we will use a Microsoft Excel document as our database. Please note that having your Excel document open from within Excel or another application can prevent Bartender from accessing it. Click Next to continue. If you already know the file path of your Excel document, you can type or paste it into the field provided. Otherwise, click Browse on the right-hand side of the dialog to navigate to your Excel document. Once you have found the Excel document you want to connect to, select it and press the Open button in the lower right-hand corner. Press Next at the bottom of the Database Connection wizard to proceed to the next screen. Now, select the table that contains your data and then click Add. Alternatively, you can simply double-click the desired table. If you are using Excel and are unsure which table contains your desired data, select Sheet 1 from the list of tables. Click Finish to complete the connection process. This is the database connection window where a representation of your data now displays in the left-hand column. Selecting the Browse tab makes it easy to confirm that you have correctly loaded the desired database. Press OK to close the Database Connection Setup window. We will now review two methods of linking objects on your template to external database fields. The first method uses the toolbox on the left-hand side of your screen. The fields in your database will be listed in the Database Fields section. Click and drag the field you would like linked onto the existing object and release the mouse button. The data shown in the object will update to reflect the data contained in your Excel document. You can repeat this object linking process as many times as desired. The second method for linking data to objects in your design area can be used anytime you might use the drag and drop method just discussed. However, this new method is your only option when linking to objects containing multiple data sources, such as some GS1 barcodes. To link data to an existing object that uses multiple data sources, right-click on the object and select Properties. You may alternatively double-click the object to view its properties. From the Data Sources list, Select the data source that you would like to link to your database. Click the Data Source Wizard button located to the right of the Type field. The Change Data Source Type wizard appears, allowing you to select the new type of data for the data source. Select Database field from the drop-down menu. Click the Next button to continue. Expand the Field Name drop-down menu by clicking the down arrow on the right-hand side and selecting the field to link your data source to. By default, Bartender will automatically display your template object using the data from your first database record. However, you can alternatively provide your own sample representation of the data you would like displayed using the Sample Field Data option. Click Finish once you are done to close the dialog. The data source is now linked to the specified database field. Press Close to continue designing your template. Regardless of which of the two linking methods you use, once you have linked one or more objects to fields in your database, you will see a live preview of the data in your template design area. By default, you will see the first record in your database. Use the navigation arrows at the bottom of the design area to view your template using other records in your database. Thank you for watching.